Welcome to Project Insight. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use dynamic reports of work I'm assigned to. This means that you can create a report with the filter type of work I'm assigned to, and the report will load, well, work you're assigned to. However, this report is dynamic because you're able to share it with other people, and the same report will show different entries. I'll show you an example of this now with the task report. However, this can be used on many reports in Project Insight. So navigate to the task report, click Add Task Report, and on Quick Filter Types, you can say Assigned to Me. Now when you run this report, we can see tasks that are assigned to me. So once you've created this report, for other people to be able to see it, you'll have to click Save Report. We'll call it Tasks Assigned to Me. Then we'll click Share. Now currently this filter only shows my tasks. However, viewing it from a different user will show their tasks, hence the dynamic nature. Now I'll show you the report we made through the eyes of another user. As you can see, we're impersonating Adam DeMamp. And if we navigate to the Reports menu, click Task Reports, Tasks Assigned to Me, we see an entirely different group of tasks. For more information on reports and Project Insight, you can refer to our existing videos and documentation on the subject.